I don't have a pocket, she says. Give me your tape measure. So I give her my tape measure. 3 minutes later, she's left her tape measure behind, and she's like, hey, give me a tape measure. So I pull out my other tape measure and give it to her. What do you bet that in 3 more minutes she's going to ask, give me a tape measure?
Here you go.
I think it's time for somebody to graduate to a tool belt. Yeah, she has one downstairs. Part of the problem is when you're working in cramped quarters, it's kind of hard to navigate those cramped quarters with a tool belt and with lots of tools on.
Yeah. It cramps my style.
It cramps her style.
Welcome back to Building at the Woods. On this channel, we're sharing the life of our families as we build 2 homesteads. We call our project the Hazelwood build, and the kids' homestead the Wildwood build. We've both taken raw land and are building homes from the ground up, doing most of the work ourselves and helping each other as we go. If you're interested in the DIY way of life, you're in the right place. In the previous few episodes of the Hazelwood build, we put roofs over the garage and master wings of the house. In this episode, we're working on the roof over the middle section of the house. Come along with us on our journey as we push our projects forward.
This is what the TJ I Trust book had as a suggestion for how to do that corner bracing. Yeah, I think it'll work. Put another nail in down there. You just go straight down.
Straight down like that?
Well, at an angle,
You want 2?
What are we working on?
Securing the joists in their new home.
Nice shot.
Third time's a charm.
So Karen just installed this 2x6 that has a bevel cut on it. You can kind of see this bevel angle down here. And the reason for doing that is so that this rafter, I-joist rafter, has something to land on and that you can nail down securely. We'll also put blocking in. You can see how we did blocking. That also firms up the connection.
Can you make sure, measure twice before I cut?
What measurement are you looking for?
I think it's 13 7/8, but it might be 13 3/4.
I just cut a 13 3/4. You're talking about the final one, right?
Yeah.
That's 13 3/4.
It is 3/4?
You could probably pound a 7/8 in, but 3/4 would fit just fine.
Is that enough?
Probably. You think so? I think so.
I mean,
Let's go 22.
okay. What's the next one?
21 and a half.
Okay.
Just cut those first 2. Let's do a shot line here now. I've got a line. It's over here. It's right here. I'd say let's go a 1/4 inch up from where you're at, and let's chalk it there. Snap. Start there. We'll come 8 this way, 8 this way, and then we'll put a 4-footer on the end. Woohoo, we got the roof done.
Just the beginning.
Go to that other end and push it up just right there. You need to go up maybe right there. That's it. We're almost done. No?
We don't even have the 3 eye joists over on the other side. Don't have
There's only 2 eye joists missing right there.
3.
Is it 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
A plate to put down.
What plate are we talking about?
This one on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Rain on my parade.
Details.
Yeah, minor details. Okay, let's see. The next one comes to right here, going over, because then we've got
A full sheet.
a full sheet going up there. Well begun is halfway done. Yeah, right. I got lots of roof. See all that roof? Almost done. Yeah, not even. You want to go on the other side? It's super steep. What's the best strategy for getting it up? Hang on, I'm not trying to ask you to grab it quite yet. Okay, can we slide it that way?
Okay, I can balance it while you get over here.
Okay. Okay, I've got this in. You want to try to feed it my direction?
More.
Okay. See,
Pivot. A little bit more
it
towards
needs to
you.
come up. It needs to go up. There you go.
Oh. I've got the board.
Okay. How do you like that?
I like it.
Wow. Oh yeah.
scarier it's gonna get.
Oh yeah. Like one of those roller coaster rides.
Too old for that.
Too old. Oh my goodness. Put another full one up here. Well, we were able to get a few sheets up today. Starting to look like a roof. Well, it's a beautiful fall. I don't know, is it fall?
No, don't say that.
Don't say that word. That's a
four-letter
four-letter word.
Just like work.
We're here to irk. We're going to get some irk done today. It is a beautiful fall day. It's kind of chilly out this morning. You can definitely sense the change of the seasons coming. So much of the summer we were working in 80, 90 degree temperatures, and
Oh, great.
this morning, I think it was starting at 62.
No, 46.
Oh, 46. Yeah, bird. Anyway, it's not 46 right now. And so the sun's up, and we're going to find some work to do in the sun as we continue to work here in our loft area. We've got quite a bit done yesterday. Over on this east-facing side, we actually got some sheeting up. That's kind of exciting to see. But we need to replicate our success on the west-facing side, this side over here. And before we start putting up sheeting, we're going to need to hang 3 more joists for the rafters. And then we're going to need to come over here and finish out our outriggers, which will hold the fascia board. And yeah, that'll probably take most of the day. I'm not sure if we'll get any sheeting on this west side today, but we'll see. The reason we don't have these final 3 rafters on the west side of the loft is because we had a slight problem here. We didn't have a way to put our scaffolding over there. So the idea that we've come up with, and we're going to try, is just using a long ladder. Our long ladders were over at Heather and Kyle's project, so I went and grabbed one yesterday, and I've got it here on site this morning. So we'll get that set up, see if we can get these last 3 hung. Well, with the ladder fully extended, it reaches, but just barely. Not sure I feel like I'm comfortable with that just barely. So, at least for this first one, we're not going to do that. I like that a lot better too. Well, we can bring the scaffold over and, you know, put the scaffold in the corner like we did that last one. And I think we can get one side off the scaffold and one side off the ladder.
Move that closer to the stairs. Give you more.
Yeah, I think that will work. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the first one up.
You don't have it made.
No, we don't have it made yet, so I'll come down and help you. Well, we set up our production line and cranked out a few more of those rafters. Now we're ready to go ahead and finish that install. Straight up like that. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
right here. Okay, let's go into that other hole now. Okay, we're gonna roll it. I think it may go onto the next truss. Go to the next truss down there. Okay, now lay it down. Can you strand it more straight? Stand it up more straight? Yep, there you go. Okay, going on up. And we're going to try to get your tail down into that pocket.
A little bit more, there it is. It's in.
Okay, can you go back? There you go. I need a tape measure.
Oh, you don't have markings up there?
Nope. How'd it come out of my pocket?
You left it with me.
I left it with you. That's a likely story.
At least I know where it's at.
You also take my pencil?
No? I know where a pencil is.
Yeah, there's one on the scaffold here.
There's two on the scaffold.
The problem is I set my couch, my tool belt down and went in for a water break and came back and my pouch had been rifled through.
That's on video and I can dispute that claim.
Okay, that's not going anywhere.
Well, we successfully got the first one up. Now we're going to take the next two and stage them in the general area where they need to go. We'll fine tune their location and then secure them to the beam.
Okay. Come my way, come my way, come my way. Woohoo!
This is where the sketchiness of the long ladder comes into play. It really wasn't too bad. We were able to get it done.
I think it needs to slide down your end, babe.
I know, I'm waiting for you to say it's okay to do that.
Do it.
It needs to go your way. There you go. Right there.
Hang on, let me get up there and tack it in.
It needs to go your way.
Yep. You like that?
Yep.
I think I like it too.
After moving the final one into position and securing it, we were able to demobilize that ladder and get that out of the staircase. Now we're on to our next task, which is finishing the blocking on these newly installed rafters and then securing the tails of the rafter down to the floor.
.21 7/8 is what we need on this next board.
Okay. We got the last of the rafters up this morning. That's a great accomplishment, being the fact that it was over the stairs. Just kind of sketchy. So what do we got next on our list today, babe?
The outriggers.
Okay.
Then we can start sheathing this side.
Yeah. So I have a 2x8 board down here. However, it's not a green treated board. So I got a new one of those last night at the lumberyard, and we'll swap that out. But like Karen said, the next thing that we have to do is we have to put outriggers up here.
And that's what we did. We worked on those outriggers, hung a piece of fascia board, and actually even got a couple sheets of plywood. Kyle's going to help me in the next couple days. Can't wait to show you our progress. Till next time, take care.